Esther is one of my favorite Bible characters because she has a lot of courage even when it's really hard and you can tell that she's scared. This is a set of differentiated writing activities that are tiered. So that means that each of the prompts has a few different versions of how you can answer it. For example, we're going to start with talking all about how you're courageous. This is a nice little graphic organizer, so you could use this with older kids to get them started, or with little kids just as the whole writing activity by itself. Then we're going to talk more specifically about how it could be courageous, and if you notice, we get a little bit harder. Then we have an essay format where students can write about what it means to be courageous, and another one where you have to agree or disagree about whether Esther actually was courageous. Our next set of writing prompts is all about the verse, "You were made for such a time as this," Esther 4:14. We have the same kind of thing where it starts nice and easy and gets a little bit harder, and then a little bit harder. Students have to explain their opinions and use evidence from the text, so they get used to that DBQ style answer. Next up, we have two little ones that kind of go along with it. So Esther was remembered because she was courageous. What do you want to be remembered for? And then the same thing in an essay format. What would have happened if Esther hadn't gone to the king? This is a creative writing activity where students write an alternate ending to the story where Esther wasn't courageous and didn't do what she was supposed to. Lastly, we have some extra lined paper in case you need it and you want it to match, and a place where students can draw pictures.